average, Susan downloads 60 songs per month. An online music vendor sells package prices for songs that can be downloaded onto personal digital devices. The graph below shows the package prices for the most popular promotions. Susan wants to know if she should buy her music from this company or pay a flat fee of $58 per month, offered by a different company. Which is the better buy? So here we have the point 0, 0, 5, 4.5, so that's 5 songs can be purchased for $4.50. 12 songs can be purchased for $10.80. 20 songs can be purchased for $18. And 40 songs can be purchased for $36. To find the constant of proportionality, we're going to do the cost per song. So 4.5 divided by 5, 10.8 divided by 12, 18 divided by 20, and 36 divided by 40. Once you find that constant of proportionality, you're going to write it in Part A. So fill in these and answer Part A. Write an equation to represent this relationship. So instead of y and x, they have s and c. But c is just like y. You're going to fill in your k value here. And then we're going to put s for songs. So whatever number you get for these is going to go here and here. C. Use your equation to find the answer to Susan's question above. Justify your answer with mathematical evidence and a written explanation. Okay, so for this one, she usually buys 60 songs. So you're going to take that constant of proportionality and multiply it by 60 to figure out what this company cost. The other company charges $58 per month. So is this answer or this answer a better option? So fill in that constant of proportionality there, multiply it out, and compare which one is cheaper.